In the forecast this weekend. Got a lot of plans that are trying to move forward with going outside, but we do have a tornado watch that's in effect for Hopkins, Franklin, and Titus County, and over towards north central Texas as well. But right now, we just have not been super impressed with what we are seeing out to the west. Like, we literally have had one storm today, and it's in progress, and it will need to be watched over Denton County. For us here in East Texas, though, it's likely not to affect us. There's been a few lightning strikes over Denton County, but here in East Texas, I mean, there's just nothing going on. Maybe a little bit of drizzle in Anderson County, but that is far below severe limits. That does change a little bit as you look over portions of Oklahoma. You can see there is a complex of severe thunderstorms that continues to move from southwest and northeast. Now, these are those classic supercell thunderstorms that can produce all modes of severe weather. But as we look at the severe weather outlook, this goes from now until 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. It's really our northwestern counties. If we see severe weather, that is likely where that severe weather will occur. And Futurecast is outdoing itself right now because we don't have what is happening on the radar that Futurecast is showing. Now, the models continue to back off on this, but as we look towards about 10 o'clock, there's still a possibility of a few storms out to the west. But as we look at about 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, note where the storms are along Interstate 30, and then these showers and thunderstorms, they'll advance to the south and to the southeast. We're seeing some heavy rain at times, and then that first line of storms will move to the southeast of Tyler and Longview by noontime. And then we'll be dealing with off and on scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the day Saturday. This area of storms moves out, and then we'll have cloud cover and more rain expected during the day on Sunday. It is a slight risk of severe weather for tomorrow. Mainly a wind and flooding threat with how much rain I do expect. I don't think everybody is going to see a ton of rain, but what we could see is just enough to give us a bit of a flash flood risk. So this is mainly a flood and damaging wind threat. I would say the hail threat is probably decreasing as we speak because we just haven't seen anything develop this afternoon. And then the tornado threat, it's going to be low. But again, with any storm here in East Texas, they always have the potential to rotate, and we're not really seeing that come to fruition right now. So that's good news on that front. But Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll have another complex of storms moving through, and we could see a severe weather outbreak for Tuesday or Wednesday, but the timing of all of this is still up in the air. But as we look at your rainfall totals, 1 to 4 inches of rain expected over the next 7 days for all of East Texas, which is exactly what we need. One quick look at the Fresh 15 forecast. I do think this will get kicked off on time. That is my hypothesis, but if the storms are arriving a little early, then we could have problems. But I'm thinking more so 9 to 10 o'clock. That's when that rain is going to arrive, which could be a concern given that the 1K is at 9:30 tomorrow morning rather. But as we look at the next 7 days, scattered showers and thunderstorms, we could see some severe weather Tuesday and next Wednesday, and then we will be much drier Thursday and Friday. Isaac, Casey.